In this tutorial, I want to show you how to use the Photoshop version of the Easy Mockup templates. This tutorial applies to all mockup templates from the Vector Lab that have the Easy Mockup templates logo. To get started, what we want to do is go to Window, Layers, and this will open up our Layers panel. So the first thing you're going to want to do is put in your own art. So we'll turn off this example graphic layer, and let's go into Adobe Illustrator. And I have a couple of little vector logos here. So this one on the right, I'll just select it all, copy it, and let's go back into Photoshop. And you can highlight this layer right here and paste in your art. So Command or Control V, and I'll just paste it in as pixels. And what we want to do is we want to scale it down. But before I do that, you'll notice how the edges of this graphic are clipped out automatically in these Photoshop templates. So if you have an oversized graphic, or let's say you want to use this as a sleeve graphic, it's just going to be automatically clipped out. So let's scale this for a front, center, chest graphic and hit Return or Enter to apply it. Now the next thing you may want to do is change the fabric color. So let's go down here to the fabric color layer and just double click on this color icon. And let's say we want to make this a black t-shirt. The thing with black t-shirts is you don't want to use 100% black because you're going to lose all your highlights. So let's use a dark gray and click OK. And then for our background color, we could make this any color we want. So red, blue, we could go to white. We could even go to transparent. And you do that by turning off this eyeball icon here. So I'm going to keep that on just for visibility's sake. And the other thing you're going to want to do is, especially if you're using either really light or really dark color fabric, is go up here to your fabric shading contrast layer, double click on that, and this leftmost slider, you can move to the right, and that'll darken up some of the shadows on the shirt. And if you move this rightmost slider to the left, that'll just kind of increase the contrast a little bit more. So I think this is looking pretty good. Maybe let's go back into this fabric color here and lighten it just a little bit more so we can see those highlights and those fabric ripples really well. And I'll click OK. And the next thing we want to do is just save this for web. Say we're going to put it on social media or on our website. So we can go File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. And this is going to export as a 2800 by 2800 pixel file, which is excellent for web. I would recommend JPEG unless you're going to do a transparent background. Let's cancel out of this. I'll show you the transparent background really quick. So let's turn off this eyeball icon. Let's go back and go File, Export, Save for Web Legacy again. Let's turn it to PNG 8. Make sure transparency is on. Now you see there's a little halo where the drop shadow is. So what we can do is turn our matte to none, and then because this is a photographic image, we want to keep our colors high. So let's keep that at 256, and we'll just click Save. And that is how to mock up your t-shirts with the men's and women's Easy Mockup t-shirt templates. Thanks for watching.